So I'm just about finished on this part of the wall, and that'll be the rest of the room. Better late than never, but I figured out how to do this in a better way. And it's not with this hammer, and it's not with bare hands. Pair of pliers. Take one of the fence staples, hold it with the pliers, then with a mash hammer, it goes faster, and I also don't end up hitting my fingers. Yes, thankfully I figured it out just before I'd finished. Although there'll be more of this work in future, but now you know. Takes a little bit longer, just a second or two, to prepare the fence staple. But I tell you what, not having to worry about hitting your fingers with a sledgehammer or just an ordinary hammer, it's worth every extra second. I'll keep going here. I might just get this finished today.